Before the intensive, I thought that I really was a great actor. I was proud of my work. I, would do things here and there that I was like, oh, okay, cool, I'm doing it. I'm doing what I want to do. After the intensive, I kind of realized that I am not maybe delivering as compelling of a performance as I thought I was. And now it just like totally changes your perspective, because there's no reason that you can't make something amazing. There's no reason you can't make it compelling to you. So the fear or the whatever those points are that can get kind of wrapped into the ball of like just doing my creativity kind of just dissipated. The favorite part for me about the intensive was the whole way that it kind of shifts your point of view. Like slowly but surely, it really just gets you to kind of open yourself up to the idea of what it really means to actually feel inspired.